Reddit is the front page of the internet. Many people use it every day, and it's a huge marketing tool for a lot of businesses. In today's video, I want to talk about how you can make money using Reddit. Now, this is a strategy that requires absolutely no upfront investment because there's lots of ways to make money with Reddit. You could talk about ads and things like that, and astroturfing, but I'm not going to talk about those strategies. I want to talk about a very simple strategy that you could use to make money with Reddit, and it involves selling Reddit accounts. What? Sell a Reddit account? Why would someone want to do that? Well, it's pretty simple. Businesses will buy Reddit accounts for astroturfing, meaning they will buy Reddit accounts that have a good standing, good karma, and whatnot when they're trying to market their business on the website. Whether this is ethical or not, that's up for you to decide. Obviously, it's a gray line, and it's not something that I would, if I ran a business, that I would do, but you're not doing it as a business. You're just being a vendor for the accounts. And the way I look at it is that if you didn't do this, someone else would. So the ethics of it are kind of like that. It's not something I think is completely ethical, but it's certainly not illegal. It's certainly not hurting anyone. And let's get into it. So firstly, you have to make a Reddit account. Very simple. You go on the website, you make your account, pick a username in a niche. That would be my personal opinion. So if you're trying to do, maybe pick cars or something, or cryptocurrency or stocks or entrepreneurship, anything like that, you want to pick a name that is in a niche, okay? Now, what you do when you get this account is very simple. You don't touch it for a month. Yes, that's right. You don't touch it for a solid month. You don't do any work on it. You leave it alone for a month. This is because Reddit has very strong spam filters, and if you get the account, you make the account, and you just right out the gate just start posting on subreddits, you're going to get your account banned, and that is not good. It's going to ruin your account because then you can't really sell it, or you can't sell it for as much. So now after a month has passed, you can start posting. Now this is where a lot of strategy comes involved. You want to post in small subreddits. You want to start posting in small subreddits in no more than once a day. So I would set up a strategy of 7 days, that's 1 week, of posting every day in a small subreddit that's related to your niche. So if you're in the niche of, let's say, cars, I wouldn't just type in cars. I would type in a smaller, more niche specific subreddit, like maybe foreign cars or budget cars or cheap cars or something along those lines. You want to aim for subreddits that have a few thousand different users on them. You don't want to go too small, but you definitely don't want to target the large ones. So after you're done posting in small subreddits once a day for a week, you could start to move up. You could start to post in bigger subreddits because your account's going to have a better standing, it's going to have more karma, and you want to just try and be engaged. I would say on top of posting once a day, leave a couple comments that are not divisive or anything that, that'll get a couple upvotes a piece, and then you're ready to go after that week. You could start posting in bigger subreddits. You're going to do this for about another week, once a day. Again, this is very quick, guys. You're just going to be posting links to popular news or pictures or anything, GIFs, memes, anything that you think would fit in that subreddit, you're going to post. It'll take some experimentation, and if you want to know more about what to post, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I might cover that in a future video. And again, just post your usual stuff, memes, news, pictures, whatever, videos, and you're going to keep doing that for a week. Now that you're in the bigger subreddits and your account has better standing, your account will start growing more. You'll start to get more karma. Once your account has at least 1,000 karma. This account is a side account of mine that I don't really use anymore, and I'm not planning on selling it. So you can see I don't have anywhere near 1,000 karma because I don't really use this account. But my other accounts that I do have a couple thousand karma in them, and I might show them in a future video again. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you have a few thousand karma, you're gonna go to a certain website. You're going to go to playerup.com. Playerup.com allows you to buy and sell Reddit accounts for a variety of different prices. You can see this account right here that has 10,000 post karma is selling for $70. Now, I don't know if he's going to get $70 for it because the price of Reddit accounts fluctuates very, very widely because it depends on what niche, what time of the year it is, how much marketing money companies have. But you're going to be able to at least probably get between $35 and $70 for an account that has 10,000 karma and has about 2,000 comment karma because karma is separated between post karma and comment karma. But look, these are the prices. You can see them right here. For a 7-year club rare account, post karma is only 134, comment is only 60. You could get about $9 for it. So you can make money selling Reddit accounts. It's very doable, and if you're a business looking to buy Reddit accounts, PlayerUp is a very secure place to do it. Yeah, you just go over there, you sign up for an account. I'm not sponsored by them, I'm not affiliated with them, and you could start selling your Reddit accounts. You could actually make at least $1,000 a month if you do this consecutively and you run multiple accounts at once. Now, I'm going to give you one last piece of advice. If you're doing multiple accounts, make sure you have a VPN, because Reddit will not want to see multiple accounts on one IP address. So make sure you use a VPN when you switch and log into the other accounts. That's just a last word of advice. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. Again, subscribe. And I always post money making tutorials on this channel, and I want you guys to see them. So make sure you subscribe so YouTube notifies you. I will catch you next time, and have a great day. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, be sure to check out ClickBank University. Link is in the description and in the comment section. ClickBank University will show you the ins and outs of affiliate marketing and teach you how to build your own income stream from the comfort of your own home. Again, link is in the description and in the comment section. Do not miss out.